The liver is starting to cook nicely. Now we can add the garlic and chopped shallots.
Yes, chef.
There are some other things we need to add. Go to the condiment rack and get some balsamic vinegar.
Salt, pepper. The balsamic vinegar. Got it, chef.
Add 1 teaspoon to the frying pan.
That should add some flavour.
Next, go bring me the tomato puree and the beef stock from the fridge.
I'm looking, but I can't see them.
They're inside the door.
Ah, yes, so they are. How much do we need of each?
2 tablespoons of the beef stock. Okay. Now half a teaspoon of the tomato puree. Teaspoon, not tablespoon.
Oh, yes. I got them mixed up.
Well, don't. I nearly forgot. It wouldn't be complete without a splash of red wine.
I'll get the red from the wine rack.
Just a splash, mind you.
Right, chef.
All right. We can leave that to cook for a few minutes. We just have to get the bread ready.
How?
Just rub some garlic on the bread. That's right. Now put it under the grill to toast and it will be ready to serve.